Look at teacher. Very good looking at teacher. What is it?
Banana.
Banana. Very good. How about this one? What is it?
Apple.
Apple. Good job. How about this one? What is it? What is it? Pineapple. What is it? What is it? Pineapple. Pineapple. How about this one? What is it?
Oh, yeah.
Orange. Good job. High five. High five. High five si teacher. High five. High five. This one. What is it? What is it?
Shop.
What is it? Kiwi. What is it? Kiwi. What is it? Kiwi. How about this one? What's that? What's that? It's a mango. What is it? Mango. What is it? Mango. This one. Watermelon. Good job. This one. This one. What is it? What is it? What is it? This one. What is it? This one. Grapes. What is it? Uh-oh, careful. Properly. What is it? Grapes. What is it? Grapes. Good job. And last, what is it? Lemon. What is it? Lemon. 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 What is it? It's a lemon. It's a lemon. Alright, lemon. Now it's all done.